guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I know it's been long, but guess who is back? Hey guys, a lot has happened, and guess what? I'm here. I did not go anywhere, by the way. I was just here. So today we are doing unboxing video. I got myself something, 2 of them. Yeah, and I'll be telling you why I got them, and I'll be showing you them. So one thing I got, let me show you first. Meanwhile, make sure you like and subscribe and tell me, how have you been? The last time I uploaded it was 10 days ago, so that is 1 week plus how many days? 3 days, so it's not long. I know someone is saying, oh, where have you been? It's just been 7 days and 3 days. That's around 10 days only. Okay. So last year I bought a power bank. I don't know if I showed you, but it was a very, very good power bank. I could charge my phone 10 times. 10 times, imagine, full, up to 10 times. I could also charge my laptop and all that. And guess what? So we traveled internationally, and I don't know where that power bank went. It got lost. I've never moved on because it was the best power bank I've ever had in my life. Like, so I decided to get myself another one. Drum roll. It's a win because this power bank is expensive. So don't say, oh, she's just excited because of a power bank. It's expensive power bank. But the good thing, it helps a lot. You know, like when the electricity is not there and all that, I can charge my phone up to 10 times or even 15 times. I can also charge my laptop. I can do, like, it's useful. Imagine charging your phone, your device, for almost 15 times. Up to 100, up to 100, up to 100. Yeah. So, this is what I got. It's from Oraimo. As you all know me, I like Oraimo. Last power bank I bought, it was also from Oraimo. My stand, it was from Oraimo. My smartwatch, like, yeah, I like their products because they've never disappointed me, even on a single way. So this one, you can charge phone up to 15 times. It has 4 device charging, so you can charge 4 things at the same time. It has also smart power display. It will show you the percentage that is remaining over here. And it's 85 watts fast charging. You know what I need here. So this one, you can charge laptop and also you can charge phones. Yeah. So it's called PowerJet. So in case you want to get one, it's very good. Get it from me. I've had one. When the power is not there, not struggling. You know why? You can charge up to 15 times. Imagine, you can even charge your neighbor's phone. You charge all your phones. So this is the first thing that I bought for me. So I'll be unboxing the other one so that you can see. Yeah. This one is worth every money that I gave. These power banks, you guys don't know. And you know the way the Kenya Power nowadays is showing us dust. You need one, because me, I needed one, because the other one, I don't know where it went. I honestly don't know. But this one, I'm going to take care of it with everything that I have. Yeah, I don't want jokes because it's expensive. Oh. No jokes. I'm going to take care of it like nobody else's business. Why is it so hard to open? So this is how it looks like when you open here. There's a cable here. I guess this one is for charging, because you'll also need to charge the power bank. And the one I the tree. This is the power bank that I was talking about. This one is a must-have. If you work, you don't want to be, you need to work like almost every time. If there's power and there's no power, this one is a lifesaver. It's a lifesaver. So it looks like that. Then you open here. Is it here? Or is it this side? I don't know. Is this one, the outer one, supposed to be removed? Okay, let's just remove. I don't know if it's supposed to be removed or what. Yay! Super excited. See, just 73. Yeah, so that is where I'm going to be charging my phone up to 15 times. Yeah, I really need this one because nowadays working. Once you become a big person, responsibilities come following you. Meanwhile, let's unbox the second one. So let's open the second one. Yeah, so the second one, I got it because of work. You know, work. And also because of reading. Yeah, I always read up to now. Yeah. Education does not stop no matter the age. So that is what I use for working and all that. You know, let me show you first. So in 1, 2, 3. Yes, I got myself this one. This one is for work. This one is for working because I need to get myself a tablet because it gives a bigger space for me to work. A space that is bigger more than a phone. You know, big phone is just small, and for working sometimes it's hard to even, yeah, it's hard. But this one, it gives you a bigger space. I can work freely and all that, and I'm super excited. So as usual, I got a Samsung tablet. I love Samsung so much. Yeah, I had an option of getting an iPad and all that, but Samsung, I don't know why, but Samsung is my, yeah, I love Samsung. Yeah. Meanwhile, so I got myself this one. This one is for working, so this one is not for using. I told you, growing up comes with the responsibility. Now you have to work, you have bills to pay, people are depending on you at home. Yeah. So, yeah. So this one, I got it for work. It's a Samsung, because you can see over there. Let's see. And yeah. There goes my working tablet. Work. I'm telling you, being a grown-up is a scam. What do you mean we have to work every time? If we don't work, no hitty. So this is how it looks from inside. This is the packaging paper. Yeah, nowadays if you don't work, hey, and those things are expensive, and the bills every end month. Yeah. So I got this one. This one is for working. Yeah. It's for working. It's a Samsung tab. Yes, you can insert a SIM card. It has a SIM card slot. You can do anything. Like you can do anything that you do with your phone. It's just that this one is bigger when you compare to a phone. Let me show you. So this is my phone. You see? Yeah. So this one is going to give you a bigger space. So this one is for walking. Yeah. Let's continue working. Being a big person. You know, when we were young, we were saying, "Oh, I want to be a big person. Once I become a big person, hey. It's not easy. So it comes with a cable. This one is for charging. And also it comes with a manual explaining how you're going to be using it. And also a pin if you want to use a SIM card. But mine, after I don't use SIM card. I've just connected it to Wi-Fi because I use it for work. So I don't have a SIM card on it. That is for purely working and learning and all that. So that's my second unboxing. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in the next video. I can't wait to show you what is in store for you guys because I'm not ready. Meanwhile, have you liked the video? Let me know in the comment section what you think about everything. Yeah, and I really appreciate you coming to watch the video.